I would like to introduce you to Goose Week.
In 3, 2, 1, hold. And I already f***ed it up.
What'd you do?
I forgot to focus. Damn.
That was not fun.
Stupid. This is stupid. This is really dumb. I'm like shaking.
Costly mistake.
Might be one of the dumbest things I've done.
You can't do that. My groin hurts.
Sorry, Mom, if you're watching. The tab broke. I'm thinking really stupid right now.
Dang it, I'm striking out.
Lens cap off. Caleb just dropped his camera.
Today's ending on a bust.
Made that mistake already.
That expired in 1999.
Oh man, what happened?
It didn't quite go so well.
It's stuck together. There's hope. We got a picture.
It's gonna be a hoot and a half.
That's right, all week, episodes back to back. There's gonna be giveaways, there's limited edition merch. Then on Friday, June 28th, there'll be a live stream to wrap up Goose Week. Consider checking it out.